Are you worried that you have a flat tire and no shops are near you and you don't know how to do? It will take just 10 to 15 minutes to fix your flat tire. Let's start. By seeing this, you can see this is perfectly okay. But the other one, which is the flat tire, we are going to change this tire. You can see there is no air in it. So now we will take the extra tire and tools from here so that we can easily fix it. Let's start. It is as easy as pie. Everyone can fix it. This is how we have to rotate and we have to remove the extra tire. Now our new tire is ready to replace the flat tire. Let's go. Now it's time to use the toolbox. Let's take this and we are going to open the 4 knot bolt from this tire. So it is little bit hard, so we have to give little more pressure. Even you can use your foot also to open it. In hand also you can open, but it's really little tight, so sometimes we can use our foot to open it. After loosening the nuts and bolts, don't remove the tire now. First we will use a jack to increase the height of the car so that it will be easy for us to remove the tire. Before placing the jack, we should find out the place where it is little hard so that it can give pressure and the height of the car will really increase. So you can touch the parts and you can feel it where exactly we can place it. If you are doing for the first time, it will take some time to get an idea where exactly to fix, but after you will do 1 or 2 times, it will be easy. You can directly find that place and you can connect the jack. Now our jack is ready. Now we have to rotate this so that the height will increase. You can see, you can observe it slowly that how much we are rotating, the height is getting increased slowly. Just we have to rotate the knob. Even you can use this tool so that it will be easy for you to rotate. Now you can see the height is got increased and it will be easy for us to remove the flat tire. Now it is a perfect time we can remove the tire. So almost the highest point of the jack reached. Now we will just loose the remaining nut bolts so that it can be easily removed. We can remove it with our hands. Now we are ready. We have removed the flat tire. Now it's the time we can place it somewhere and we can fix the new tire. Yes, this is how you have to fix. Now just tight the nut bolts with the hand. After that you can use the tool to do more tightening. First of all, in the hand you have to tie it, then with the use of this tool you have to make it little more tight. Then finally you have to use your foot to make sure it has been tightened properly. So we will be in a safer side. This is the 6th or 7th time we have fixed the flat tire and it's really easy. You don't need a mechanic or something. You can easily change your own tire independently. Before tightening with foot, we have to make sure that we have removed the jack completely. After removing the jack, then only we will use our foot to make it more tight. Yes, our jack is loose now. It has been removed. Now it's the time to fix with the foot and we have to make sure it's tightened properly for a safe drive. If you have tried by watching this video, then do comment, like, and you can share with your friends and family so that they will also get help. In every car there is a warning symbol like this, so when you are fixing, then you can put that symbol there so people will know that you are fixing something, so they will be aware of it. Now we have replaced with the new tire and it is absolutely ready for the driving. Now we will put everything back in the toolbox and we are set to go. I hope you have learned a lot from this video. I will recommend that you try and you just make sure to comment us like how you have fixed it. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest updates. Bye my friends. I wish you a safe drive. And don't forget to check the flat tire and again make it correct, because if one more tire will be getting flat, then this backup tire should be ready. So make sure that you will get time to fix this flat tire in the shop. I'll bring this useful video again for you. Till then, bye bye. When you are putting back the tire, make sure to rotate this knob so that when you are driving, it will not bump here and there. It will be fixed in that place. After this, you put your toolbox back in the place. Yes, it is tight now. So time for us to put the toolbox back. After that, the warning sign also, make sure to keep it back in the place.